Did you know that a simple cough can send air rushing out of your lungs at incredible speeds? When you cough, that air can be expelled at up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars drive in city traffic. Think about it. Your body has this powerful mechanism to clear out irritants from your airways. It's like a built-in air compressor working hard to keep you healthy. Every time you cough, you're not just making noise, you're unleashing a mini explosion of air. It's fascinating how our bodies are designed to protect us. So, the next time you feel that tickle in your throat and you let out a cough, remember, you're moving air faster than a speeding car. Isn't that amazing?